Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be working on the garage just to make it more friendly, I guess, to really have my tools hang and easy easy to access to them. What we're gonna be doing today is just gonna use some old stuff that I had laying around. The stuff that I had laying around, it's a E-track and some metal cabinets. That's just they're used, they're old, but they still do the job. So these are the cabinets. Uh, they're just old. Maybe clean it before I install them. Uh, they're gonna go on that wall. I think they will fit. Gotta move a couple things around, make it work. This E-track, I got three bars of E-track, but I think I'm just gonna be using two of them. Gonna go right underneath that wood. Maybe I won't be able to use the nails anymore, but hopefully with the brackets that come with the pack that I bought a long time ago, I'll maybe actually use them this time. Yeah, let's install it, see what happens. Hopefully I like it. As you can see, I remove all the nails. I'll make it enough so I can bring the plate a little bit higher. Uh, Still not quite all the way up, but as high as possible. So I still gotta remove those nails, but then a little bit. here we go. We got the E-Track installed. Some hooks here and there. Not in a specific place. They just there for now. But is it worth it? Is it better than having nails? I think so. You have the option to move it around, and you know it's steady every time. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, the second part of the project is to install those two cabinets in there somewhere. Yeah, hopefully they fit. So there you go. We got the cabinets installed. Easy job, I guess. Hopefully, I'll keep my garage a little bit more organized with these upgrades. Small upgrades, but still upgrades. We got the cabinet installed. I already got a lot of stuff in here. Brake cleaners, all that good stuff that you never use, but you wish to have when you need it. So that's that. Here we have the E-Track installed and loaded. Loaded. And I think it's strong enough to hold all this and more. Definitely, it's nice to have because you can always change what you have hanging and have options to move it around. So I think so far so good. Thank you for watching my video on my work in my garage, I guess. Things to do, keep it clean, keep it bright, obviously, keep it safe, and see you until my next project.